My name is Dejan, and within 1 minute I will explain Scrum Artifacts. They are the tangible elements that form the backbone of a Scrum project. They are used to visualize work, track progress, and ensure the team is aligned towards a common goal. Let's break down the key artifacts. Product Backlog. This is a prioritized list of all the features, enhancements, and fixes required to build a product. It's continuously updated and serves as the roadmap for developers. Next, we have Sprint Backlog, derived from the Product Backlog. This is a subset of items selected for development during a specific sprint. It's a more detailed plan for the work to be done. And finally, we have Increment. Each sprint produces an increment, which is a usable product or feature. It represents progress towards the overall product goal. These artifacts work together to ensure transparency, inspect and adapt, and ultimately deliver value to the customer. For more info about Scrum, visit whatisScrum.com.